I'm an addict. I don't know what else to do. So today we're gonna fix something. I've got supplies. Let's do something with this coil of steel I got here. That look cool, like I'm running around with my custom blower tip, and I'll be like the envy of the whole neighborhood. Everybody's gonna want one. You know what? I think right here looks like a good place to cut it. Oops. Very precise project. Alright, this green pen. Well, what should I do here? I'm going to cut in the middle of the line. Speaking of the fix addiction, I'll get my drug any way I can. I will fix anything just for the joy of fixing it. Man, I got a motor sitting right behind me on a stand. I'm not really want to fix that. It's not the kind of fixing I'm talking about. I'll leave that to a professional. It's an old 60s engine. I'm just gonna get one that's already fixed. But something like this, it's so dumb and mundane. It'll be fun. Okay. Let's make some mounting holes. Need a piece of wood. Something round. I don't want to drill it against this because I'll probably just screw it up. I want to put the mounting holes in after I drill the holes for my metal. I'll just put it over the edge of the bench. Since I'm fixing it, I can fix it any way I want. I have got a whole drawer of rivets to choose from, all sizes. And I thought, I kind of like this style of rivet. It's like I got it from an estate sale. It's very old, or it has a sort of an old look to it. I'm trying to find the camera. Not used to recording with this thing. So we're going to use these cool rivets, even though I've got a multiple amount of rivets to choose from. Alright, got one hole drilled. Got one rivet on the ground. Alright, drill my other hole. And to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of bummed out today. I didn't get invited to one of my second family niece's wedding get-together parties, and or the wedding. And it would have been a nice trip for me to go on. And so I'm like, well, the wedding was the other day. Now I'm just feeling sorry for myself. Fixing something will be just what I need to make myself feel better. Okay, so I drilled these 2 holes in the bottom, or whatever, it's not the bottom. Now I'm gonna drill one directly across. I think I'll stick with one for now, but I think it's gonna need rivets like every quarter. Okay, let's put another hole right about there. I think I'll put a couple more in there. Let's see how this fits on my schedule. I don't want to bend it. I don't have to. Let's use this. Just happened to just out of the blue, this was sitting over there because my bench isn't completely clean. And yeah, you want to see a dirty bench? Surrounded by stuff here. But I got some workspace, as you can see. Look, I love fixing stuff so much. I found these somewhere, and then I got the end out of there and put a new bolt in it because it was froze up and the nut busted off. So, I mean, that's holding my camera bracket. So much I like to fix stuff. Okay, how was this thing? Where were we? Okay, I'm using this lid because I want it to be, I want to kink it against a flat table. Oh, that one's way off. I love it. Project like this doesn't matter. Okay, but I don't. It could be wrinkled too, but I don't want it to be. I want it to keep this as round as possible. And putting it on the bench, I think it's gonna kink it slightly. Okay, I want 2 more holes. Let's put one about a quarter past, and then let's put one about quarter till. All right. Okay. I gotta tell you guys, this channel isn't about, oh, look at this shit I'm fixing. Wait, no cussing. This channel isn't about, hey, look at something I'm fixing. It's just about fixing anything. Certainly not going to try to impress you with my massive fixing projects. Whole idea is that I'm just fixing something. All right, I love it. Now, let's drill some holes, put some rivets. Let's start with the back one. Let's see, come right at the edge. All right, we want a nice tight fit. Oh, yes. Okay, this looks like the right one for the rivet. Sweet. All right. Oh man, I love riveting. There's something so fun about it. It's way funner than screws, nails, all kinds of other things. Riveting is bliss. It feels so much better. Oh, okay, I'll be right back. Grab 2 rivets. Wait, I'm gonna grab the box. All right, where were we? Oh, give it to me, baby. Oh yeah. It's starting to look like medieval. It's got like spikes on it. Hey, it does have spikes. All right, one to go. Oh, okay. Here comes the next hole. Come on. Oh yeah, nice and tight. You know, they just work twice as good that way. Oh yeah, I can drag this thing around all over the driveway now, and it's not gonna fall apart like it was. All right, everybody, this is my first episode, and I just want to thank you for watching. I know most viewers aren't even there anymore, but if you want to watch things being fixed, this is the channel for you. You know what? It looks so cool, and I was having so much fun with these rivets. I made another unnecessary ring to add to my blower tip. And this time I'm going to bite the bullet because it's a lot firmer in here, and I'm going to drill it right on here. Well, the rivets might not come out as tight, but I had so much fun doing rivets that I can't stop now. Oh, it's tight. Oh, come on. All right, well, as much as I want that to work, my plastic all sloppy. I wallow in the drill bit. Wow. Yeah, it's like I switched drill bits or something. Here we go. Oh, plastic is tight. Oh, redo. It's crooked. Yeah, no, it doesn't want to come out either. Man, is it in all the way? That's it. I'm popping you off first. Oh, almost two in there. So satisfying. Ooh, one left. Hey, that's where it went. How did that come out so distorted? Okay, bonus points for anyone who stayed to the very end. I want to put out one fix video a week at the minimum. There you go. So much fun. So mundane. So satisfying.